Hi, my name's Damien Cooley, Director and Auctioneer of Cooley Auctions, and welcome to our August Auction Market Wrap. Today I have with me James Hayashi.
Thank you, Damien. We've come off the back of another fantastic month. The clearance rate holding at 80%, which is the same that we saw in July last month.
James, one telling statistic that is really assisting the auction clearance rate at the moment is the fact that 36% of the properties that were booked for auction in the month of August sold prior to auction. That really is an incredible amount of property selling before. I guess what buyers are really doing at the moment is that there is a fear of missing out. Lots of people have been going to auctions and missing out on properties. We know that last month we averaged in excess of 6 bidders registering at every auction. So with the fear of missing out, and I guess ultimately the fear of paying more at auction, we are seeing lots of buyers making strong offers on properties prior to auction, and that's really enticing vendors to accept those offers and do the deal before the day.
Damien, we had a couple of highlight sales in August. The first one was marketed by Patrick Good from Keystones Real Estate, number 1 Lovett Street, Forest in Thornlea. We had a reserve of $880,000 on that property, 28 registered bidders, and after 35 bids, we reached $1,111,000. That's $231,000 above reserve.
That was a really incredible result. That was sitting on quite a big parcel of land.
Yeah, 809 square metre parcel of land, a really tidy family home in a great neighbourhood, close to schools, moments to the station, just an outstanding property.
James, tell us about the sale in Narraweena that sold for an incredible 22% above its written reserve price.
Yeah, that was 56 par parade for us in Narraweena. That was marketed by Stephen Haslam from Doyle Spillane. That property had 20 registered bidders, 31 bids, and ended up selling for $1,090,000. The reserve on that property was $890,000.
Another incredible result, and it really was the month of original homes going to auction. We also sold a property at 56 Cottenham Avenue in Kensington for an incredible $2,200,000, and that represented $500,000 above its written reserve price of $1.7 million. An original home, Californian bungalow in a great street in Kensington, attracted multiple registered bidders and marketed on behalf of NG Farrer Real Estate, really showed us the strength in this Sydney property market, particularly for original, unrenovated homes that people can add value to.
Damien, I'd also like to highlight another really strong weekend, the 23rd of August. We had a 95% clearance rate for the company. That's 55 out of 58 properties selling on that day.
An incredibly strong clearance rate, James. I think that's really been driven by the fact that there's been lower volumes of property on the market through the winter period, but buyers can take confidence in the strength in the market right now. If you're a vendor who's looking at possibly selling, there's never been a better time to get on the market. So if you're thinking about selling, we'd encourage you to come on the market as soon as possible. There is a lot more property coming on the market. We've got more than 475 properties booked to go to auction in September, and now that we're right into this spring selling period, we're also expecting the clearance rate to remain very strong. Thanks for joining us for our August Auction Market Wrap, and if you have any auctions coming up, we'd be thrilled if you thought of us.